Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide image title on hover using custom CSS in WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we hover on image, then you see title tooltip. Again you see, so we are going to hide it. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section. And we are in additional CSS, so click on it and then we are going to add our custom CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see image and then we edit pointer event none, so you can add this CSS in your WordPress website in any plugin or in customize additional CSS section. So click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So now hover on image again. Now you don't see any tool title tip on image hover because we added custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.